Hey guys, hey Aaron from the Nissan guys. You know, I'm kind of searching all over for my father-in-law, the other Nissan guy. I have no idea where he is. He's probably napping somewhere. I'm gonna check a few cars out. Let's see if we can find this guy somewhere. I mean, this guy falls asleep all the time, and I'm trying to explain the Nissan Armada entertainment system and how it can help you with, you know, getting through the summer vacations and stuff with your kids. But let's see if I can track him down a little quick, okay? All right, let's see if he's in here. Let's see. These SUVs with the entertainment systems. No, I don't see him in there. Man. Hey, there's the Armada back there. Let's see if he's in that. He might have pulled down here and fell asleep. Let's go down here and check this out. Hey, it's running.
Hey, what are you doing?
What are you doing in here?
I'm watching. I'm watching this DVD
I caught you
player.
asleep. I caught you asleep again.
Well, it's hot outside.
It's hot. I know it's hot outside, but what are you doing in the car? I've been waiting up there for a while just so we can shoot this entertainment system video.
Well, I was watching this movie and fell in love with it.
Man,
And
what are you
the
watching?
Cool air.
What are you watching? What is that?
This is
Air Bud. You know how old you are watching Air Bud?
Air Bud is awesome.
Ah.
But how nice it is to be back here, relaxing, reclined, air on me, and we're on vacation. I'm pretending, pretending I'm on vacation, and I'm watching me a good movie.
All right.
And this is awesome.
All right, well, let's go ahead and get started this video, man. We need to tell these consumers how to use this car.
Oh, well, okay, but I'm enjoying what I'm doing here.
All right, here we go.
Hey, Aaron, I got my own headset.
Man, where's my headset?
Well, we have two pair.
You got two?
Yeah,
All right.
one for you, one for me. So
That's awesome.
I don't have to listen to anybody. But it is so nice. I can control this. This has got an off and on switch. I can switch it from left side to right side so that I don't have to have it just on this side. I can watch it over, listen to what you're doing, or over here, which is cool with this.
That's cool. What about it, the driver? You know, a lot of times the driver has to hear, what they're watching on that. Do you have to do that on this entertainment system?
No, not at all. It's all back here. It has no distractions to the driver at all.
Right.
They have it on the screen where they're in control of it.
Cool.
But we have our own remote.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And mom or dad or grandma or grandpa, they can turn it on up there where we can shut this off where we don't get in a fight and change each other's channel.
I know with kids growing up, man. I know what that's all about.
So, do we have to have a DVD in here to have it to work?
No. Actually, one of the cool things about the Tri-Zone entertainment system from Nissan in the Nissan Armada is you have the ability to control DVD, USB, or an auxiliary, like an Xbox or another DVD player. So if you want these two watching different things and listening to different audio, that's available in the Nissan Armada.
Wow, that is totally awesome.
Yeah.
We don't have to fight over one movie.
No, not at all.
And I'm not limited to just the DVDs.
No, not at all, not at all.
So if I have one of those zip drives or finger, whatever you call them things.
It's called a USB.
USB, yeah, okay. If you have a USB and you can plug it in and you can play movie, wow.
Yep, sure can. And you just plug that in and if you want to watch Xbox, or you want to do some type of entertainment system, it's got 124, was it 124? No, 120.
120.
All right, sorry. 120 volt plug right there so you can plug in your auxiliary, whatever it is, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever it is.
Wow. And we can also hook up to other headphones. On this right side here, we have the USB. We also have the HDMI, so that you can hook up your other instruments and everything else right here. And then you got your 12 volt, and you also have a 120 where you can hook up any computer or anything and charge it, or your PlayStation. You just put it in there, and you have power. So with all these adapters, you're hooked up. You got all the power you need. You got your monitors on both sides. You can watch different things at the same time. You can just put it on your zip drive or USB, plug it in. There's so many options on the back of this thing that it makes it so simple. So we don't have to stop and buy different DVDs for the kids. So it is so nice, and you also have different volumes and hookups. So it's a great system.
All right, so on the front display, we're down in the front seat where the driver has the control. And on the front, you can see on the screen, you got the DVD on the left, DVD on the right, and then up there on the top is where you would select rear display. It's got several different functionalities. It's got left power display, so you can turn that power on or off. So if you want that off, if somebody's sleeping, you can do that too as well. It's okay, hang on. All right, and then the next button is your mute button. You know, that's gonna mute or unmute the headphones or the speakers too as well. The next one is the select rear source. Okay, so go ahead and select that. And in that, you can choose the left screen, right screen, okay? You can choose the DVD, rear HDMI, or rear USB. So those are those functions, those little connectors on the ground. So if you wanted the actual HDMI and you were having a PlayStation, you would select rear HDMI, okay? So back to there, you got the rear audio control. So when you hit that, it's going to bring up headphones only, listen to audio from left display, or listen to audio from right display. And a lot of people want to know why that's important. Well, you don't have to listen to it as the driver. You can still listen to your stereo. So, and then the next one is, of course, repeated with the right display. The next one, you've actually got your source control. That's going to be your pause, play, stop. And then the one that Cheesy was talking about, remote control lock. So that way, you know, nobody can be changing the channel, making the other one mad. You can hit that button too, as well as you can mute the speakers and audio display power on or off in the rear. All right, so that's the rear entertainment system, Cheesy, of, you know, the Nissan Armada Platinum. This system is available on the Platinum Reserve, okay, in the Armadas. You know, but very great feature to help, you know, with kids, you know, when you're going on long trips, because we know long trips, you know, you can keep a kid's attention for so long, but you know, we're in an entertaining world now.
Yes.
And it keeps them maybe off the phones. You know, everybody's on phones now, you know, so why not, you know, get them to old-fashioned entertainment system?
Well, and you can monitor what they're watching.
Yeah.
Instead of being on their phones,
right,
you don't know what they're downloading.
Absolutely.
But on this system, you're telling them what they can watch,
right, and
which is a parental guidance which they need. I wished we had this system when I was raising my kids, because man, we had 3 and it was phenomenal to travel.
Yeah, I know. I bought the ones at Walmart. You know, you plug in, hang on the headrest, and that didn't last very long.
No, they got cords everywhere.
Yeah.
But this system here is top notch. It just got so many variables, which makes it so cool.
That's right.
And it's for the new learner trying to learn this stuff, because technology's here. Doesn't make any difference how old you are.
That's right.
I'm in the older generation.
The older
How generation. Older? I'm older. But it works great.
Yeah.
It's easy. It got big words and stuff that you can see, and it just makes it simple.
Yeah, I mean, and Nissan works very hard at making their products family friendly. This is just one of the features on the Nissan Armada. Come out and check us out, the Nissan guys, Townsend Nissan here in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. We would love to earn your business and really just give you a truly exceptional buying experience. I know both of us, you know, have got a lot of years in sales experience, but it's not really about the sales part. That's the easy and fun part.
Yeah.
The good part is, you know, the relationship that we build with our customers. You check us out on our Facebook page, you know, or our YouTube channel, and we hope you enjoyed this video and that it was informational, kind of funny, but you know, again, Nissan guys here in Tuscaloosa, Alabama at Townsend Nissan. Hope to hear from you soon.
This is Cheesy Rider,
Aaron Kamadi. We're out.